How to get free electricity from your phone line, exposing a hidden source of free energy. Would you like to discover a hidden source of 100% free electricity for your home? You can power your house appliances for free, and say goodbye to high electricity bills. I am Ryan, and I am going to tell you how to get free electricity from your phone line. If you've ever wanted your own secret source of free electricity, to power up your household appliances, even during an emergency power outage, then this is by far the most important information you'll ever read. Are you tired of your energy bill going up each year? Is the amount you're paying to power your house causing you financial strain? Do you feel the power company is taking advantage of you, especially during unbearably hot or cold days? After all, it's not your fault others have disintegrated the ozone layer, right? All you know is, your summers are getting hotter and winters are getting colder, leaving you with an astronomically high energy bill each month. It's a shame you're spending so much money on a resource you can't live without. But, if you're like most homeowners, you need your air conditioner on to keep you cool in the summer, your coffee pot going to keep you alert during the day, you need light to see in the dark, and what about your portable television? Heaven forbid if you weren't able to keep your portable television while working in the garage. So, if you need all these things, then why should you be forced to spend more of your hard-earned money, actually thousands in just one season, when you can get energy for free? In fact, there's a system available that'll help drastically reduce or even eliminate your electricity bill. I've created a simple DIY kit that is easy to read, with clear illustrations that'll guide you through the entire process. To be sure my system is easy for anyone to follow, I found a group of 11 test subjects who knew nothing about generating power. At the end of the 1-hour test, I was very happy to report all of the members successfully turned their phone line into usable energy. Remember, these test group members knew absolutely nothing about creating energy. And, to tell you the truth, if they can create energy from their phone line, then anybody can. With Phone 4 Energy, you'll get to tap into the electricity of your phone line to power up your household appliances. To spend your money on the things you enjoy. A safer alternative to energize your home. Your own secret source of hidden electricity to light up anything with up to 110 volts. To have a source of free energy at your fingertips. Complete step-by-step instructions on how to make energy from your phone line using simple components. To be the only house on the block with working electricity even during a power cut. To do your part to preserve the environment. Your children will thank you for it. And so much more. How much can you save? Before move on, imagine what you could do with the extra money you would save per month. Take your family out for a nice dinner. Put an extra tank of gas in your car and go visit relatives. Buy those expensive running shoes your child wants. Put extra groceries on the table. Maybe upgrade some of your furniture. Let's face it, in this time of financial crunch, every dollar saved makes a difference and can add to your quality of life, so you could do whatever you want or need. Well, you'll be happy to know, after you start using your phone line as an alternative energy source, you'll be able to do all those things. And more. So, why are you waiting? For more information and to purchase your product, please click on link in description.